कौन है ये नॉन एप्लीकेंट नंबर 1 जिसको किसको पक्षकार बनाना चाहते हैं आप?
Petitioner wants to be included as a defendant number 1.
जन कल्याण समिति का क्या रोल है एनक्रोचमेंट के संबंध में?
He has filed an application because he is the affected party, because with the society they have not only a government land, my lord, एक सार्वजनिक नाला है जहाँ से पूरा वाटर का फ्लो है, my lord, ड्रेनिंग वाटर का फ्लो, and they have enclosed that land.
और वादी कौन है? वादी कौन है नीचे दावे में?
That is DK respondent number 1.
हाँ, और शासन के खिलाफ दावा है वो?
Yes, my lord.
हाँ,
but my lord, kindly see, my lord, my lord, lecture P2, my lord.
हाँ,
Page, my lord, 17, my lord.
हाँ,
The petitioner, my lord, he is a registered society, my lord.
हाँ, ठीक है ना?
And Nala, my lord, they have enclosed the reason behind, my lord. There is a logging in water in the entire society, my lord.
जी,
And that's why, my lord, page 18, my lord.
जी,
बारिश का पानी संचित रूप से बहने
नहीं, वो तो आपके बिल्डर ने अनुचित निर्माण करके अगर अतिक्रमण कर लिया शासकीय भूमि पर, तो यू आर नेसेसरी पार्टी।
हमने
आप जो है, आप तो रहवासी संस्था हैं, आप जाइए अपने बिल्डर के खिलाफ मुकदमा लगाइए, कंपनसेशन क्लेम करिए।
ही इज द बिल्डर, my lord.
मालूम है ना, समझ गए?
Respondent,
There is a dispute going on before the civil court between the builder and the government in regard to the encroachment over Nala made by the builder.
yes, sir.
Now, how you are a necessary party?
And we have filed the application.
नहीं,
And because
आपको बहुत पहले, अगर आपको इतना सजग थे तो अपने बिल्डर के खिलाफ दावा लेके आना चाहिए था कि इनके इलीगल एक्ट्स के कारण जो है हमारे को वाटर लॉगिंग फेस करनी पड़ रही है।
we have filed.
I'll not permit you to support the builder through a backdoor entry.
My lord, we have filed an application before the Tehsildar, and he has passed the order for.
First of all, सुनिए, रहवासी संघ के खिलाफ, समिति के खिलाफ तहसीलदार का कोई आदेश नहीं है। नहीं, it is not. There is, I have seen it. There is no order of तहसीलदार against the रहवासी समिति.
The order in favor of, my lord, because the encroach, he has order to remove the encroach.
So you are not there to support the case.
On my interest, my lord.
Government will take care of it.
Lord, I am
Sorry.
realized on this judgment, my lord.
दे दीजिएगा जजमेंट, क्या कहता है वो?
In this, my lord, if there is an interest, my lord, and the right.
क्या इंटरेस्ट है वही तो समझाइए ना हमें।
Because if, my lord, enforcement cannot be removed, my lord, certainly there would be water logging, my lord, and the entire.
Mr. Counsel, government is working to remove that water logging by way of removal of encroachment on the Nala. And now you want to intervene and delay the proceedings. Because now what I apprehend and I can see is that on some of the land on which illegal construction has been made, you all are the beneficiaries.
Exactly, court says.
कुछ है नहीं इसमें, खारिज होने लायक पिटीशन है। ये कॉस्ट कितनी लगाना है ये और बता दीजिएगा।
Not because there is logging, my lord, so we have filed an application and.
चलिएगा।
And found.
Petitioner has filed this serious petition being aggrieved of order dated 24/2/2024 passed by learned 19th Civil Judge Junior Division Bhopal in RCS A 921/23 rejecting an application under order 1 Rule 10 CPC as was filed by the petitioner. Full stop. Next well. It is evident from the impugned order that the dispute is between the builder, who is respondent number 1 herein, and the state government in regard to the report of encroachment given by the Tehsildar, alleging that respondent number 1 builder has encroached on the Nala, resulting in various problems. Full stop. Thus, it is evident that to support the builder or to claim any other independent relief in a matter strictly between state and the builder, application under order 1 Rule 10 CPC is not maintainable, and that has been rightly rejected by the trial court. Therefore, there being no illegality or perversity in the impugned order, calling for indulgence in the supervisory jurisdiction of this court, miscellaneous petition fails and is dismissed.